Hello everyone, my name is Alex, and today in this video I'm gonna make an order I received in my Etsy shop. So a customer from Denmark ordered exactly the same shirt I'm wearing right now, one piece embroidery design left chest. I have this shirt right over here, and we will try to make the same design I have here. So look this video, subscribe, follow, put like, and we will start. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I need to hoop a shirt with this. I need a piece of backing right over here, put it inside. So as you can see here, I'm finished hooping. This is the final result. It's gonna be left chest, so as you can see, perfect. And now I'm gonna put it on the machine. As you can see, it's already on the machine. So what I'm gonna do is to put a white thread. So guys, I finished doing this shirt, and as you can see, it looks perfectly like the same. So if you like this shirt, you can order it in my online shop on Etsy. The description will be under this video. Thanks for watching till this moment. Have a good day. Bye.